Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Hi guys, so today we'll be showing you guys how we made this hair butter with just a few powerful and natural ingredients. If you're experiencing dandruff, dry scalp or any hair thinning, this hair butter is perfect for you. As we all know, a healthy scalp leads to hair growth. This butter is perfect for hair growth, is perfect for dandruff, dry scalp, hair breakage, brittle hair and hair thinning. The first ingredient we use to make this hair butter is shea butter. Firstly, we put in about 6 tablespoons of raw shea butter. We'll be using raw unscented shea butter, and this is to create the formulation of the hair butter. The next ingredients we used are dried rosemary leaves. We'll be using just 1 tablespoon of rosemary leaves. Rosemary leaves promote nerve growth in the scalp, thereby restoring hair in areas it was lacking. It improves blood circulation, which prevents hair follicles from being starved of blood supply, dying off and leading to hair loss. The second ingredient we used is fresh ginger. Ginger helps to improve blood circulation in the scalp, thereby stimulating hair growth. It helps to fight scalp problems like dandruff, dry scalp or psoriasis. Ginger raw is an antioxidant that stops free radicals from causing breakage. So we decided to chop up about 2 cloves of ginger. So next, we added in a handful of fresh mint leaves. Extracts from peppermint leaves are a good source of carotene and antioxidant that promote hair growth and prevent hair fall. Mint leaves also prevent antimicrobial and antifungal properties, which are also used to treat dandruff and lice. Lastly, we'll be adding in 150 ml of extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is rich in vitamin K and E, which helps to reduce dandruff and make hair follicles healthy and strong. Olive oil is rich in vitamin K and E, which helps to reduce dandruff and makes hair follicles healthy and strong. It also eases itchiness and dandruff. Olive oil is also known to stimulate hair growth and reduces the buildup of sebum. Now, once you have all your ingredients in the jar, it is time to double boil it. Gently place your jar into boiling water on low heat. Then mix in thoroughly and allow this to boil for 10 to 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, you can then switch off the stove and allow your mixture to cool down. Now that your mixture has cooled down, it is time to strain it. We'll be using a wig cap to strain it. All you need to do is strain and transfer your mixture into a clean jar or container to store your hair butter. So all you need to do next is place your mixture into the fridge or the freezer overnight in order for your hair butter to solidify. By the next day, our hair butter was fully formed and ready to be used. Your hair butter can also be whisked into a butter souffle if you choose to have more fluffy texture. This hair butter can be applied by parting your hair into 2 to 4 sections. It can be applied directly onto the scalp and massaged in. It can also be applied onto the body of your hair to lock in moisture and seal your ends. This hair butter can be used 1 to 2 times a week. Benefits from using this hair butter are this rosemary and mint butter is not only super easy to make, but it was super effective in growing and thickening our hair, as well as healing all our scalp issues. This butter is perfect for slow hair growth. It's great for bald patches. It works on alopecia. It works for dandruff, dry scalp, psoriasis. It helps with hair breakage and brittle hair and hair thinning. So guys, kindly let us know in the comment section if this video was helpful to you, if you'll be trying out this amazing rosemary and mint hair butter. Let us know. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like, and we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye.